Welcome, from me is a Realme 6S, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device to recovery mode. And to get started, you'll need to hold power key, select, let's hold it again, and actually, there we go, and then slide down to power it off. Now once the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume down, and you need to hold it only until you see the Realme logo, so I can let go now. And let's wait a moment. It should bring us to the recovery mode. As you can see already here, there is a message, recovery mode, so it's putting into it. And now, tap on your language. So for me, there is only one that I understand. Let's go with English. And from here, choose wipe data. If you have some kind of pattern protection on your device, you'll need to confirm it. I have a pattern, as you can see. There we go. And once more, select wipe data. Actually, my bad, it's the one below, it's the format data. The one above will retain, as you can see, contacts, messages, and photos. So we're interested in formatting data, format, the process will begin. Now at this stage it's fairly quick, it's only about a couple seconds, and we should be then back in the recovery menu. Yep, wipe successful, and we're back in the recovery. So okay, so I guess it reboots on itself, even though it went back to recovery. So we don't have to actually do anything. Now, it's going to be turning on for a couple minutes because it's continuing the process in the background. But once it's finished, we'll be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.